Hi, I'm Ranger Kelsey, and right now I'm standing next to the historic raceway system. This National Historic Mechanical and Civil Engineering landmark is a section of our national park not many people know of. However, the raceway is one of the most important parts of our national park and the city of Paterson. The raceway system was constructed to provide water power to Paterson mills and factories. Construction of the raceway began in 1792 and was completed in 1835. The raceway worked with gravity in mind. As the water flowed downhill, it would turn water wheels placed along the raceway, providing power to the machines inside the mills by using drive shafts, belts, and gears. Pierre-Charles L'Enfant planned the beginning stages of the raceway, and the project was later taken over by Peter Colt. The Colt family continued to prosper in Paterson by helping to create many of the city's early mills and factories. By the mid-1800s, most of Paterson's mills were running off of raceway power. Paterson was quickly becoming one of America's largest industrial cities, producing paper, textiles, including silk and cotton products, locomotives, firearms, rope, and much more. While Paterson continued to produce products, the city moved forward to develop and innovate energy sources for its mills and factories, shifting away from raceway power to new technologies such as steam and electric power. Although the water is not currently flowing, the historic skeleton of Paterson's raceway remains to this day.